I'm Middle Eastern and I'm Palestinian. I'm Arabic. We speak Arabic. I'm Arab. They say, oh, how come you're not wearing a head cover? Being able to educate people that that's actually the religion, it's not the ethnicity. They have like an aha moment, and it really helps people connect to the culture a little bit more and realize that there's different groups of people within the Middle Eastern culture. I'm Carolyn. I work at the Sephora Western Distribution Center in Las Vegas. I am in charge of engagement, building engagement, culture, procurement, hospitality. So I do a lot of things in the front office as well as help out the leadership team with anything that they need. I love beauty. I love skincare. I have always liked to have nice eyebrows. Your eyes and your eyebrows shape your face. So seeing Arab women, the way they do their eye makeup is just so beautiful. And so I think that definitely played a role in it for sure. I love what Sephora stands for, but I didn't really know the depth of it until I started working here, just how great Sephora culture is. I was able to become a part of an in-group called Sephora Ability that focuses around people with different abilities and people with disabilities. We come together and bring new ideas to help improve the program. Sephora just really allows us to be heard and to express yourself. You know, Sephora really tries hard to implement your ideas regardless of what your role is. Both of my parents are immigrants. They're both Palestinian. Some of the best things about my culture and the things that make me really proud is how close our family is. Food is a very, very big part of our culture. Arabic food is absolutely delicious. A lot of dancing, a lot of celebration, and everybody's just really close. My parents taught us to still hold on to our strong values, our culture, who we are as Palestinians. So we had a lot of Arab traditions included in our childhood. But it's so beautiful that everybody is unique in their own way. Everybody has a story. And when you feel like you're a part of something, you feel 100 times better. I feel like I'm able to come to work every day and just be me. I don't have to hide my tattoos. I am never scared to speak my mind. I'm never scared to present an idea because it's all constructive and it just leads to other really great conversations.